This is a tutorial on how to fix your compact washing machine. When you start the cycle, you push this into time, and what you're actually doing, pushing that out and pressing little switches. Now to start with, I'm going to take out these two screws. Now be careful, this is a fiddly job. It can be quite tight. Careful not to lose these screws. One. This one here is quite fiddly. There we go. Now this here, back here, is coming loose. Now make sure you know what position this timer is in. You know it's in stop. It's coming very loose now. Should be able to do it with our fingers. This screw, it comes up there. I don't know what I do with the other screw. Shit. Wait there for a minute. So now what this allows us to do, what it should do, is let us pull out this bit of plastic here. A bit like that. For some reason there's a screw in there. On this particular model, which you want to keep safe. Now this is now still connected there, but it's not connected there. We'll move on to the back. This here, you don't get a lot of rain. I can't remember what I did now. No. Yes. Here's what makes the timer move. Now, when this drum turns, this goes up, which turns a little dial here, which then turns a little dial in there, causing this thing to turn. Now, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. And down here is the motor. Just down there. Now, what we want to do, we need to get this free. It's quite easy. As I thought it was. On this particular model, we've got to free this thing down here, so I'll just figure out how to do that. Unfortunately for this particular model, I've had to take off the pulley, which just sits there, and that. Got to be careful when I put that back on. So now this is a lot easier to remove. Give him a nice firm pull and he comes out just like that. Obviously different models are different and you got loads of room. that are now on a tripod. As you can see, they're all numbered here. So we've got 1, 5, 9, 4. There's one missing there. Different models are different, obviously. 8, 10, 1 missing there. 9, 2, and 3. Now all you got to do, put it back on the tripod. Big finger behind there. And just pulls out like that. Spray it with WD-40, especially here. Give them a good couple of clicks. Wipe with kitchen towel. Back in. Get them back in. You put it down like that. Slide in. And push. You leave it, nice click. Then move on to the next one and so forth. No need to remove these wires. Sometimes 2 come out at a time like that one did. So we've got in there, give them a good click, good spray and a good wipe. And like that, make that a bit clearer for you. Right out, in there, click. Get them out, under there, boom. Again, down there, push, click. Same for in there, down, click. Put him back. Careful of this springy thing here. What's here? Now you got to do, bend that back in, whack that back in there. And do the rest. So just pause yours to set up the tripod. So I'm going to put the timer back to bits now. Get the long screw we had earlier. And whack that one back in there. Make sure this timer is lined up correctly. Push this thing back. Oh, let's use a bit of force. And bang him back on like that. Then get your screws. Get your screwdriver. Back on. This is the fiddly bit. Timer's just gone out now. Oh, I'll record when I've got one screw in. Okay, so I've got one screw back in here. I have lost the other one. It was torn up. So I'm going to move around to the back. This here should align itself back up, so that should be all good. And it's got to reattach the motor pulley to the spindle. Do that. Try and keep the belt on. I want you to notice this. This motor moves up and down, so force that pulley on. That's on there. You got to move up this little thing, which is quite fiddly. So you just hold there like that. Give it a tap. Sounds easier than what it is. There we are. On. Nut. Can you see that nut? I don't know if you can see it. On. That's it. That's alright. starting to spin. I know why. Silly Billy. Call you in a minute. I forgot to put a washer on there. A washer fell off, I forgot to replace it. Put the washer back on. And that's on. And tighten it up. Boom. Now time for a test. So what's this up for a test? I'll just pause it. Okay, so we're all plugged up. We're going to turn off the spin for a minute. There we go. Shit. Huh, could have sworn that nut was coming undone. Anyway, let's just watch this motor and see what action we do. Just pause you. Okay, so you want to watch that motor do its thing. Got on to number 4. So it comes up. You got that thing up there. Going 10 times a dozen. Let's stop this. It goes back down. So I'll put into a normal wash. Let's get some closer action on that motor. Do a normal tumbling now. Turn to spin. It comes out switching it out over. That's counting the times. Spinning in there. See if we stop when it's supposed to. Perfect. Just got to put the lid and the side back on. Jobs are good on.